Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a free brochure online. It's fairly easy to do and it takes the hassle out of trying to find all these sites, so I'm just taking you right to the source. So here you'll see me typing in Poster My Wall, which is a credible website. I'm telling you, it's like really easy to use. Something about the website that I really like is that they set you up to where they're here for you. Right here you'll see me go and show you around the website. You can click straight off the website, create a design, and it'll take you to this amazing place where it has multiple brochures for you to choose from. And they want to know what field you're in, what you're looking for. Right here I'm going to type in babysitting because that's what this video is mostly for, is for babysitting, creating a babysitting brochure. So type in babysitting, they take you to, a lot of different brochures. Before I overwhelm you, I'm just gonna go down and choose one. So I'm going down, gonna click on something really simple because, the simpler it is, the easier it is to maneuver around. So you customize template to how you want it to be seen and how you want it to be saved. So I'm going to this purple one, fairly easy, easy on the eyes as well. So set it up here. Just going to change the name. You can change it to whatever you like. Every qualification you have, you can click on it and change it. Right here, I am going to show you how you can edit it. They have a lot of options for you to pick from. Oops, I overclicked. So right here you can go back if you messed up or anything like that. I'm gonna click on it, change it to my name. So simple to use. Usually up here at the top you can edit the text, but for this one I believe that you have to click on it itself, but it shows you where you can change the font, the lines, the color. I'm just gonna click on it and change it to my name. So simple to use. And then I'm gonna change the phone number. I'm gonna pick a number. I'm in Texas, so why not? I hope nobody tries to call this number because whoever's on the other end is gonna be fairly upset. But you put your number so you can get those contacts, and then you will be set. Still try and choose a number here. And get those 4 2s, and then I'm gonna go up here and I'm pretty much done. All these qualifications I have, so I'm just gonna change the background color. Pink, I like pink, but let's go to purple, you know what I'm saying? Oh, did I overdo it with the purple? I don't think I did. But this color I like. It is not sticking. Oh, no it didn't. Okay, there it goes. That's the color I want. So I'm gonna click on it, and voila. So I'm gonna go to download, and download is fairly easy. Choose the basic. Always, it does leave a watermark of the website, but other than that, you're pretty much done. You could save it to your computer or wherever you like. You can send it as a file, and you are good to go. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you can make as many brochures as you like. And I click subscribe because I'm here for it. I'm going to be showing you many more things to help you with babysitting and help you with maintaining a business. So thank you for watching and hope to see you soon. Bye.